Hello my friends, today we got another product review for you, and that is a bird feeder from Ermete. This is a metal bird feeder, very easy to assemble. The instructions are very clear on how to put it together. The tray comes right out, as you can see, where you can feed it. This does attach to a window, and the instructions, like I said, are right there. Very durable. I don't think you can go wrong with this. It's pretty solid for a bird feeder. So that is the first one that we have. Let me show you the second one we have. Here is the second one, and this one is very durable. Once again, very strong. It's got a perfect shield over to protect the seed from getting wet. This attaches to a window via suction cups, and let me tell you, we've talked about this before, and I talked about being able to wash and clean your bird feeders. Being that this one's plastic and that one's metal, it should clean up very easily. So I would highly recommend these bird feeders. I would install them on the window, but I still have too many of these going on, and the bears are just it's just too early for me. But I'll definitely will show you footage in upcoming videos as the weather gets colder and the bears are staying inside. I will show you footage from these feeders. So this is I will leave a description down below where you can find these, and there's a promo code down the bottom if you decide you want to buy some. I also forgot to mention, they come with these beautiful stickers that you can attach to your windows to keep the birds from striking your windows. Never seen this, never heard of it before, but maybe it works. So with that, I hope you guys will go out and reach out and find these bird feeders from Ermete. I highly recommend them, and I don't usually say that lightly because I haven't even used them yet, but I feel that the quality is very good, and I think you'll be most impressed. Thank you very much, and have a great day.